केळशी गावात येवपी मोबायल टावराक थळाव्यांनी विरोध उक्तायला। ह्या टावराचो सरभोंवतणी रावपी 50 फामिलींचेर परिणाम जावं येता म्हण गावात हो टावर नाका अशी थळाव्यांची मागणी आसा। आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर केळशीच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
So there is a tower installation that is been going in this area since the month of September, and there are 50 people, 50 families which are residing under this area, and there were like 200 petitions that had been signatures were taken that we are strongly objecting this tower installation in area which is adjacent to my area, which falls under Kelosi Panchayat. So after that there was the tower installing was stopped, but suddenly it has that point has been raised up, and now we have got a letter that they are in the process of installing the tower in that same area which was there, which was identified previously. Yes. And has been now we have got the thing. So the thing is, now we are all the people, the residents of this area, are under confusion that again whether the issue of this installing is coming again back. Okay, so now the thing is, we have brought the panchayat into confidence, and now we have asked the panchayat about what is the issue about this thing, because panchayat is saying they have still not got any intimation about the installing this tower in this area. And so we have got the punch into confidence that the punch is there who is opposing us. And also the thing is, we have got the local bodies, we have gathered together here to tell the panchayat that we are strongly objecting this thing, and to kindly take a strong action against the people who are involved in installing the tower.
We have received a letter that here the tower is coming on. See, our punch, who has also given the objection for not installing the tower, but some politician, they wants to forcefully install the tower. Now what is going on, we don't know. We all local have gathered to raise the objection over here, because see there are 50 families residing over here, 50 families, 200 people are residing. They have signed the petition that they don't want the tower, but still some politician, they wants to install the tower. Now what is going on over here? Our punch is supporting us, our panchayat is also supporting us, but some greedy politician, they wants to install a tower. See, pollution control board has to take a strong objection. Even the panchayat has to write a letter to the pollution control board objecting the same.
As an inspection येयली पूण लोक जायत आसलो म्हणल्यार तो रिस्पोंडंट आसना आनी लोकांक नाका हांगा टावर इन्स्टॉल केल्लो आनी लोकांक नाका ती वस्त आमकांय नाका.
तुमी आतां फुडें ओपोज करतले?
पळोवया आतां आमी ते फुडें आमकां तो टावर आमी सगळीं ओपोज करताय. इवन आमी पंचायत बॉडी पासून त्या टावराची ओपोज करता.
तुमी ताका लेटर धाडटले?
आमी ताका लेटरूय धाडटली आनी ती पोल्युशन बोर्डासून तांकां लेटर आयल्या आमकां पावूंक ना, पूण ताचे लागीं आमी मागले आमकां तेजी कॉपी दी म्हणून, आनी आमी ती फॉरवर्ड करतली गोवा पोल्युशन बोर्डाक.
पयलीं खातीर हो प्रोपोजल हांवें पंचायत मेंबर म्हणून हांवें घालूंक ना हो प्रोपोजल टावर इन्स्टॉल करपाक. आनी हो आमकां प्रोपोजल मिटिंगेक आयलो तेन्ना आमी इन्स्पेक्शन मारलें हाचेर. तेन्ना आमी इन्स्पेक्शनाक येयली तेन्ना लोकांनी सगळ्यांनी ऑब्जेक्शन हाडलें आनी आमी बॉडी मिटिंगेक रेजोल्युशन घेतलें आमकां हो टावर हांगा नाका म्हूण. आमचें स्ट्रॉंग हें आसा, ऑब्जेक्शन आसा हाचेर. आनी आमी जेन्ना आमकां आनीक दुसरे मिटिंगेक गोवा पोल्युशन बोर्डाक सावन लेटर येयली तेन्नाय तांकां आमी रिप्लाय दिल्ली आमच्या लोकांचें हांगा ऑब्जेक्शन आसा म्हूण.